Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode on Mighty Mallshop Creations. Today I'm going to be doing a quick update on my Richard Petty's 1964 Plymouth Belvedere by Lindenberg. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. Roll the intro. Alright, so I'm going to show you the spray painted pieces, I guess. So I actually tested out Duplicolor's, I think it is Duplicolor, right? Yeah, Duplicolor Chrome Finish. And I really enjoy the look of these. I think they look a lot better than the normal chrome. Although, like, this is more suited for the grille and the bumpers, but like for the petty car rims that I'm going for, this is a more accurate chrome color. So it's pretty interesting. And the glass hasn't changed because I haven't put it in yet. And then there's just random bits and pieces. I have not sanded the tires yet. I will get to that soon though. Probably soon after this film, this recording. But let's move on to the more cool, important pieces, or the most updates that I've done on. So firstly, I guess I'll show you the interior. So here's the petty car interior. And I found out that you can build this either stock or as the petty car. So that's why there's the interior detail on the outside. And there are ones on the inside. It's flat paneling, which makes sense because you don't want all this random fabric while you're racing or whatever. I experimented with the Malta chrome pen and I used it for the steering wheel. So it actually works really well. That's when I was in the US for a model show at Fulton. I picked up the 0.1, I think, 1 millimeter Malta chrome pen, and it's really amazing. I 10 out of 10 recommend getting that along with the Fly-C chrome pens. I also used it on the buckles and stuff too. I spray painted the fire extinguisher. And I also used the Malta chrome pens on the end of that as well. I used the gauge decals. One of them cracked. This one right here. Oh, that one. Second from the first one. And yeah, so overall everything went really well together with the interior. No issues at all. Next we have the chassis. And I ended up wiring the motor on this because I figured it would be a cool little detail. When I was using the wiring, I forgot to put the boots on it. The little black boots. So that's why it looks so weird. I apologize for that. But overall, it turned out really well. And I'm happy with the way that it turned out. So I'm not complaining. It's pretty easy. Accurate wiring from the instructions on Google, so it's not just randomly put together. Firewall's blue. I don't know, should have them all blue, but here's the underbody. Painted the engine, oil pan and such. Haven't really done any detailing, and I don't think I will, because you're not gonna look at the bottom. At least I don't. But yep. So that's the chassis. I'll put the interior on the body, or not on the body, on the chassis, just to show you what it looks like. Really nice fitment too. Like, it looks proper. But man, I'm excited for this thing to be finished. And actually, that brings me to my next part. The body and the hood and the rear trunk, gate. So I'll show you the hood. I sprayed this with Mr. Hobby, Mr. Super Clear UV Cut. What I did actually, I sprayed over the decals first because they're really old and I was scared that they were gonna crinkle, and that's why the gauges did crinkle, because they're old. But overall, it helped, so I recommend spraying over your decals with clear before you lay them. The only thing you have to do, though, is cut right up around the decals. Like, as you can see, I got it right close, and even around the little period there. That's the only downside, but it's really easy. Like, it's not a hustle or anything. And then I laid down the decals and I sprayed over the hood with the clear. I'm probably gonna polish the stuff because you can see where the decals are and where they're not. But I'm not sure how that will work out. Here's the boring rear panel. I haven't done any chrome detailing on the Belvedere logo yet, but I will. And last but not least, we have the Petty car itself. I did the same thing with the decals for these. I sprayed them over with the clear on the decal sheet, laid them down. Again, I had to cut around the numbers or whatever, but it's no hassle. And then once that set, I let it overnight. And then I cleared it with, again, the super clear. And I probably will either do a second coat or just polish it. I'm not quite sure. But, like, it's not terrible. You can't really see on the doors. On the roof you can, though, which is a bit of a bummer. But it's not bad. I don't know how all this dust got in the rear trunk, though. I was kind of just surprised by that, because I made sure there was no dust on it before I sprayed it. Anyways, but yeah, everything laid down really nice. I was surprised how well it turned out. And I think I can put the thing on to show you guys what it looks like. Oops. With the hood on, but blue matches the body blue pretty well. Doesn't stick out oddly, it doesn't look weird. So yeah, anyways, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so I don't miss an upload from me. Really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.